Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to resize an image in Word using exact inches for accurate and professional document formatting. This method is perfect for resizing passport photos, logos, certificates, product images, school projects, and business document with precise measurement. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here many pages. Now I am go some down and insert a picture. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose a picture, click insert, then resize it, then click the picture and go to the format menu and go to the layout menu. We can see here the size is inchy. Now I am resize it in inchy like 3 size. Otherwise you can get you the size is inchy. Go to the option menu and go to the proofing option and go some down, advanced option and go some downs and see, find the measurements units. Here the measurements units is inchy because I resize it image in inches very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.